Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to make status automation on monday.com. So let's start. First, open your monday.com account. And here, go to your workspace. In this page, click on this automate option. In here, you can create a custom automation, but below you can see these basic templates. And one of them is what we need in this video. Since you wanted to know how to make change status automation, simply use this template. When status changes to something, notify someone. Here, you can now customize this automation. Click the status, and in this window, you can add column or sub-item column. But here, I am going to choose status. Next, click on something. And here, you can choose between these options. Either anything, work on it, stuck, or done. For example, I will choose done. After that, you can now choose an action. Click this notify, and here you can type a message to personalize it, or you can make a board name or username. Then next, choose who you want to notify. Here, click on someone. You can select yourself, team member, people, subscribers, team, or guest. Here, I will choose me. So this automation says that when the status changes to done, then notify lights, which is me. Once you are done making this automation, click on this create automation. And after that, whenever the status changes to done, I am going to be notified. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to make change status automation on monday.com, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.